Welcome! Let's discover how to take a scan. Place your phone in the scan box. Make sure the lens of your camera is clean and visible through the opening of the scan box before securing the system. Take the cheek retractor tube and insert it firmly into the scan box. You'll hear a click when the tube is properly attached. The app will help you adjust the scan box so the tube is centered on the screen. Let's go! Insert the cheek retractor tube, one side first, then the other. Hold it with one hand and hold the scan box with the other hand. The model you see on the screen follows your movements and mouth opening in real time. During the scan, we want to capture all the areas of your mouth. There is a glowing dot for each area. Move the cheek retractor tube and scan all the dots. When you reach for the side dots, turn your head in the opposite direction. When asked to bite down, you can swallow and hold your tongue to the roof of your mouth to make sure your back teeth are in the right position. When the app asks you to open slightly, a small space between your teeth should be visible. The app will help you keep the right opening. The scan will also capture the biting surface of your teeth by scanning up and down, one arch at a time. Only the arch you want to capture should be inside the tube. Use your lips to maintain the tube and tilt the scan box. You can also slightly tilt your head to help you. The app will let you know when you need to insert or remove your aligners. Take the time to seat your aligners correctly before scanning. When you've completed all the steps, remove the cheek retractor tube. You will be able to review your scan before sending it to your doctor. That's it! Now it's your turn to try out your first scan.